Do you know you can now turn your image into an animated video for free?
So guys, I'm going to show you how to animate this same video for free using just two tools. We'll be using ChatGPT and Grok AI. They are both free, so you don't have to pay for any tools. So first thing you are going to do is to get your image ready. So I'm going to head over to my gallery and pick an image that I am going to use. Okay, I have this image. So this is the image I am going to use. As you can see, me sitting down in front of a mic. So the next thing I am going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. And upload your image to ChatGPT. Upload your image to ChatGPT. Once you upload your image, you can tell ChatGPT to write a prompt for you. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, write me a prompt to turn my image into an animated video using Grok AI. I want him to say, then you write a double quote and tell ChatGPT what you want your video or the person in your video to say. So, for example, let's say you want him to say, do you know you can now turn your image into an animated video for free? Okay, so you close your double quote and then go down and give ChatGPT instructions so that it can write the prompt properly. I want my video to be of good quality, clear voice, and no background sound or noise. So once you tell ChatGPT this, it's going to write you a prompt, because sometimes when you try to generate video in Grok tends to add a background sound, which may not be good to make your voice clear. So once you write this, I think we just stop here. Let's send it to ChatGPT and it's going to give us the prompt. Let's wait for it to write. Okay, nice shot. Now you can see ChatGPT has created the prompt. It has generated the prompt for us. It knows exactly how Grok works. So it's going to generate a prompt that's going to work perfectly for Grok. So now, what we're going to do now is to head over to our Grok AI. So I am now inside my Grok AI. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this button up here that says Imagine. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you will see a text area and an area to upload your image down here. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on this button and go to your photo library to select your image. So once you select your image, Grok will automatically upload your image and start generating a video. But we are not going to use that. What we are going to do, you can allow it to finish generating. You can actually customize it later. You come back to your ChatGPT and copy the prompt that ChatGPT created for you. So copy the prompt. Once you copy the prompt, head back to your Grok AI and then write the prompt in the text area to customize your video. So once you have pasted the prompt, just click on send. and Grok is going to generate our video for us. Trust me, this is very, very fast. So let's wait for it to generate and see the result.
Do you know you can now turn your image into an animated video for free? Do you know you can now turn your image into an animated video for free?
Wow, this is amazing. Once you finish generating your video, you can just head over to this download button and download it to your gallery. As you can see, you can actually tweak the prompt to say whatever it is that you want and add some gestures, anything you want it to do. So you can actually do that. And mind you, Grok only generates 6 seconds video. So if you want me to teach you how to generate a long video using the same Grok, I can actually do that in my next tutorial. There is a way we can do it and it will flow very well. So this is how to turn your image into an animated video, a talking video. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorial content like this.